In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the DeMarker indicator in MetaTrader 5. The DeMarker, often shortened to DIM, is a momentum oscillator that helps you spot when price may be stretched and conditions are primed for a pause or a potential reversal. We'll add it to your chart, cover the key setting you need to know, and make sense of what its signals really mean. Start by opening the chart you want to analyze in MetaTrader 5. At the top menu, click Insert, go to Indicators, hover over Oscillators, and choose DeMarker. A small settings window will pop up. Leave the period at the default of 14, which is a widely used baseline for balanced signals, then click OK. The DeMarker will appear in a separate panel below your main chart, so you can read it without cluttering your price action. The indicator moves on a scale between 0 and 1. When it climbs above roughly 0.7, the market is considered overbought. That doesn't mean it must drop immediately, but it suggests upside momentum may be tiring and a downward reversal or a cooling phase could follow. When it falls below about 0.3, the market is considered oversold, hinting that sellers may be running out of steam and an upward reversal or a bounce could be near. When it hovers around 0.5, you're in a neutral zone, where neither buyers nor sellers hold a strong edge. The period setting controls how quickly DeMarker reacts. Keeping it at 14 offers a practical balance, enough responsiveness to catch shifts without being overwhelmed by noise. Lowering the period makes the line more sensitive, so signals appear more often, which can be useful for very short-term decisions but may bring more false alarms. Increasing the period smooths the line, reduces the number of signals, and focuses your attention on bigger, more deliberate swings. A few reading tips will help you use these levels wisely. Treat overbought and oversold as context, not automatic buy or sell triggers. Look for price hesitation, smaller candles, or momentum slowing to confirm what the oscillator suggests. Consider the trend. Overbought in a strong uptrend can be normal, and oversold in a strong downtrend can be a brief pullback. Time frame matters too. Shorter charts respond faster but are noisier, while longer charts deliver fewer, weightier signals. Always test your approach on historical data or a demo environment before relying on it. That's it. You've added the DeMarker in MetaTrader 5, understood the default settings, and learned how to interpret its key zones with confidence.